welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing college outfit ideas. So basically college outfit is something that you would like to be comfortable as well as look like you didn't wake up and go to college. So when I was in college, so I used to wear basically a t-shirt and a jeans every time I used to go to college because it is ridiculous to wake up and dress up, because what are you going to do? You're just going to study. Doesn't make sense. So what I found is that if I could go back to my college days, so I would have worn few clothes that would be really good. Pardon the shadow because my lighting is too bright. So if I would like to wear something that is cool as well as comfortable, so I would go for these few outfits that I've picked up for you guys. So if you like it and if you try it, do comment and let me know, because I would be really happy. So before I begin with the video, I would like to tell you all the clothes are from different brands. Some are known brands, some are unknown brands, some are thrifted. Details will be in the description box. If you would like to check it out, you can go to the description box and let me know if you like the video so that I can make more new and fun videos like this for you guys. And that's all for the introduction, so let's move on the video.